Model, 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Sportive 1.6 CDTI non-runner timing chain issues Euro 6 ULEZ no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 87,890. MOT, the 26th of November 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing chain has slipped. Should be an easy repair if you know what you're doing. This is a 2018 model on a private plate. Don't be mistaken, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric windows, air-con, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119